When Cynthia, David, and Allison were looking to build their skills and grow their careers as new instructional designers and e-learning developers, they each found themselves overwhelmed and unsure where to begin. For Cynthia, a new instructional designer, she considered going back to school, but realized that focused too much on theory and didn't offer the individualized support and feedback she was looking for. As for David, a former teacher, he tried doing it all on his own, but found himself unsure where to focus his efforts and whether or not he was even doing it right. And finally, Allison, a freelancer, content creator, visual designer, educator, and, well, Jill of all trades, considered signing up for a boot camp but was turned off by the sleazy sales tactics and fake promises. And that's how they each found their way to our hands-on cohort and coaching program inside the eLearning Designers Academy. With our project-based and hands-on learning approach, Cynthia was able to learn, practice, and master the whole instructional design and e-learning development process. With our personalized support and feedback, David was able to put his skills into practice by designing and developing a complete project to showcase his unique skill set. And with our weekly live sessions and one-on-one coaching, Allison was able to build a portfolio and make herself a top candidate for the new opportunities she was exploring. And this is the same formula we've used to help over 1,000 students develop their instructional design and e-learning development skills, build amazing samples of work that aren't just pretty but are focused on driving performance, and grow their careers by creating portfolios that are as unique as they are. And so today, Cynthia is using her experience and offering her new skills as a freelance e-learning developer. Allison's rocking it as a senior instructional designer, creating learning solutions that drive business results. And as for David, well, we'll let David speak for himself.
I can make an announcement. I got the job.
Wow!
Our hands-on cohort and coaching program inside the eLearning Designers Academy is the place where new instructional designers and e-learning developers grow their careers by focusing on skills first.